Hello guys, welcome back to Cinsio's channel. Today's tutorial is gonna to tell us how to make and set ringtone on iPhone. Would like to get unique ringtones on your phone? Please go to www.cincios.com to download the free iPhone Ringtone Maker. Let's start. First of all, download and install Cincios Mobile Manager. Double-click the Cincios Toolkit icon on the desktop. Here you can see many modules. Select Mobile Manager. Connect your iPhone to computer via a USB cable. You can see the entrance of Ringtone Maker on the interface. Or you can go to Toolbox section. Launch it. And you're allowed to select music from computer to from your phone. Scroll up and down to find the desired song. Hit on Select option. You can click Set Start and Set End to edit the song. Also, you can manually drag the timeline to shorten the song. If needed, you can check Loop Playback option to realize playing it repeatedly. Set up the fade in and fade out time as you like. To set the customized ringtone on iPhone, click Import to Device option. You can go to Music Ringtone List to find the file you imported just now. And let's continue to set the ringtone on an iPhone. Unlock your iPhone and open Settings. Choose Sounds option. Enter to Ringtone page. Choose the target ringtone. Okay, that's it. If you like the video, don't forget to give the thumb up and subscribe the channel.